everyone, it's Angela Dahlgren, and today I'm giving you a room tour of a standard room at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Special thanks to my coworker David Davies for providing the footage you see today. A standard room at Disney's Wilderness Lodge is 344 square feet, and the room you see here is located in the main building. All rooms have a table and 2 chairs, a 2-sink vanity outside the bathroom, a mini fridge, and a coffee maker. Rooms on the ground floor have patios. Rooms above have balconies. Also on Wilderness Lodge property are the Boulder Ridge Villas. For a room tour of a handicap-accessible studio, I'll link that below. There are 726 other guest rooms at the lodge, and they feature darkly stained mission-style furniture accented by soft goods done in blue and red patterns. Carved wood headboards, rough-hewn armoires, and rustic light fixtures create a log cabin coziness. Typical rooms have 2 queen-size beds like this one, while some have 1 queen-size bed and bunk beds. David said the room he stayed in is the same style as photos from a 2015 stay, so we wouldn't be surprised if these are slated for a refurb at some point. He thought the room had some cute features like the tiles in the bathroom and the rustic headboards, but he thought the hotel room wasn't especially exciting on its own. However, the hotel facility as a whole he thought was very impressive, and that's something I'll highlight in my updated overview of Disney's Wilderness Lodge in a couple weeks. He booked a room with a standard view, but was actually given a nature view, which will give you a view of trees, landscape, or, as you can see, a view of the Copper Creek cabins. Let me know if you want a tour of those. And that's all I have for today. If you have any questions about these rooms, leave them below. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please visit TouringPlans.com for more information. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!